Alright, hello, welcome to my first on-camera YouTube video. I'm not an aspiring YouTuber, but I know a lot of people want to see this that can't come. So, bear with me and we'll check it out. Okay, so if you don't know what Tokyo Auto Salon is, it is a trade show for the automotive industry, going from manufacturers like Nissan, maybe over there, to also tuning shops. You see modified cars, not only street tuning but also off-road or anything with cars. And we're in Chiba Prefecture, about an hour out of Tokyo, and we're in Makuhari Messe, which is a big convention hall, and I think 9 halls maybe. I'll try to cover as much as I can. Let's get started. Okay, I promise this is not clickbait, but as I was going through all the footage and trying to edit, it was taking a really long time and it was becoming a very long video. So just so I could get something out quickly, here are a few pictures I took, just so you guys can see what was there. And I'll be putting out some shorter videos in the future, so you might want to click on notifications or subscribe to see some of those if you do like them. I hope you enjoy. So that's it for Tokyo Auto Salon 2022. If you liked it, click like. Maybe I'll make some more videos. Yeah, if you want to subscribe, I appreciate it. Alright. Okay, peace.
Spider-Man. We got Spider-Man.
아이고, 아리가또 고자이마스.